Hi, this is a brief tutorial on the Mac operating system, and I just wanted to show you a couple of things. If you wanted to find a software program like Adobe Photoshop, you could simply go to the eyedropper over here and type in a first few letters like Photoshop. Here's Photoshop CS6. Click on it and it opens up, and if you're satisfied that this is the program that you want to use, you can just go ahead and start using it. And then it pops up into this thing down here which is called the dock. And if you would also like to keep it down here so it makes it for easy access, you can right click on the Photoshop icon, go to Options, and say Keep in Dock. If you want to put other programs on there, you can. Let's say that you don't want to use Photoshop anymore. You can right click on the dock and say quit, and it quits, and Photoshop remains down here into the dock. Let's say I want to put Adobe Illustrator. I can just type in ILL. Here's Illustrator CS6. We'll open that one up. The icon pops into the dock. And here's Adobe Illustrator, and I can just go ahead and start using Adobe Illustrator from here. If I want to keep this down on the dock here, I can just right click on it, go to Options, and say Keep in Dock. Let's say that these programs are ones that you use a lot and you want to put them in a particular place where you see them very quickly. You can put them over here like that. Let's say there is an item on the dock that you do not use and you don't want to use it anymore. It would be simple to remove it, like the Mac Mail. I'll take this and I'll click on the icon. Oops, I opened it, didn't want to do that. I'll say quit. And I'll click on the Mac Mail, drag the icon out to the desktop, and just let go. And it removes itself from the dock. And you can just put these icons wherever you need. Just wait for it to separate between two other icons, and it will stay right on there. I'll put I use InDesign quite a bit, so I'll get my InDesign icon and I'll put it next to Photoshop and Illustrator. I'll wait for it to open before. Right click on this, Options, Keep in Dock, and I'll just drag this right over here to Photoshop and Illustrator. Also, if you want to browse for your files, you can click on this on Finder, and this shows you how to navigate through your files. If you put things on the desktop, that would be here. It helps you categorize things. Here's all of our applications. You can have all your files, all your recent files that you've opened up, come up in here. Also, there's another thing that's similar to the Start menu in Windows, is the Apple. So this could tell you some things that you might need to know, like restart, shut down, quit. You could find out about this computer by clicking on About This Mac, find out how much memory is in it, what processor it's using, and what version of OS X it's using is right here. More info shows you more about the computer. And that's just your basic steps here for the Mac operating system. I'll show you some more as we go along.